Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm taking you behind the scenes and showing you how I achieve these soft waves on our model Paris for our photo shoot. So first of all, you want to comb through all the hair, make sure there are no knots, and then you want to go ahead and just divide the hair. That way you're working with smaller pieces at a time. And just take the rest of the hair and then just clip it upward and away. Now to achieve these curls, I'm only using one tool. I'm taking a straightener and I'm actually just turning it toward me after grabbing one piece of hair, and I'm holding it down all the way. So again, just taking another strand here, I'm taking the straightener, I'm applying it onto her hair, and I'm just turning it away, and I'm holding it all the way down until I reach the end of her hair. And this gives you a nice, soft, effortless curl. And here's our photographer, Marcus Isaac, in the background. So again, just grabbing a strand of hair, take the straightener, turn it towards you or away from you, and then just bring it all the way down. So I'm just going to speed up this process so you can see how I got through the whole head of hair. Just continue the same process all throughout. And I love working with the straightener because I find that it's much quicker and a lot easier to get a quick, easy curl. Once I'm done, I like to take some hairspray and spray it all throughout. Just make sure that you have a really nice volume throughout all of the hair, and it keeps it in place for a really long time. I hope that you enjoyed this full tutorial. Please check out our Instagrams for more images from this photo shoot, and I'll see you soon. Bye!